What's up, guys? So I got this box here from eBay. I got it yesterday, but I don't have time to unbox it because I have work to do. So in this video, I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and quick installing on whatever is inside this box. So let's go. So this is what I got, guys. It's just a aftermarket stick knob or shift knob, or shift stick, whatever you call it, because I call it a stick because basically this is a stick and this is a knob. So it depends on you on how you call it. So let's do this. Let's install this thing. To remove this gear knob or shift knob, you just need to twist it to the left because, you know, lefty is loosey and righty is tighty. So let's go. So before you can put this thing, obviously this is pretty big for this. See, you can put it there. You need to put this black thing first, and after that, that's it. You're just gonna need to put it. Yep, that's it.